Welcome back. Well, if you are looking for a curriculum that's going to excite and really allow to unlock the potential within a student, look no further than PCS Adventures. Here with Ben. And Ben, I tell you what, very excited about this because, we're really going to be able to tap into that kid's interest. Absolutely. And we're going to be able to take it in places it's never gone before. Tell us a little bit about your company.
So PCS Edventures is a STEM enrichment company that's based in Boise, Idaho. We've been around for about 30 years, and our specialty is introducing students to exciting, engaging, hands-on STEM materials to really give them a kickstart in their STEM adventures throughout their life.
Well, this really is important because if we get kids excited about learning, that's going to stay with them their entire life, as you mentioned.
Absolutely. I think that it's phenomenal. The earlier we get them started, the better, and they can take that into high school and beyond.
Now, right in your hands here, what do you have?
So this is the Tello drone that we use in our Ready Set Drone enrichment camps. This is how we introduce younger students to unmanned aerial vehicles. And it comes with a variety of lessons to get students fired up about drones.
And from that, they can learn so many different things as well. They learn about aerodynamics, but they also learn about electronics. They're going to be able to open the doors to so many different types of education.
Oh, definitely. And the career pathways for drones is phenomenal. So getting students engaged at an early age so that they learn the fundamentals of unmanned aerial vehicles is outstanding, and we think it's very important just because of so many companies are introducing drone operations to their workforce.
They really are. Drones are involved in everything. It's amazing. Agriculture, observation, and this is just one of the many ways that you have to get kids excited about science, learning, and technology.
Definitely, and on top of that, you've got inspections, photography, videography, search and rescue. Whenever there's a big storm, one of the first things that they roll out are drones to start looking for where they need to direct, rescue operations. And you've got students that have the skills, and they take to it much faster than adults do. So they're really they're a great place to start.
Yeah, kids just get it, don't they?
Absolutely, and they literally do take to this like fish to water. They've got the background in gaming. The controls are set up very similar to any Xbox or PlayStation controller. So you put that in their hands, and they immediately know what to do and just take off. They put us to shame. If you sit down with a student, then they'll make you look bad pretty quickly.
Well, you're exactly right. They're familiar with the controllers. They do AR. They're already doing the things. They enjoy these things that you're introducing them, in this case, to drones.
Absolutely, and so the Ready Set Drone is for 4th through 8th grade, and then we do have a junior high and high school and beyond curriculum as well that gets a little more technical and involves a larger quadcopter that the students assemble. And this, it's all modular, so the students can build it, take it apart. They learn to fly it, including additional curriculum. This gets into about 30 hours of programming. So they assemble, configure, learn to fly in a simulator, and then take to the skies. Building competent operators is a huge priority for us. So learning to, FAA regulations, flying responsibly, ethics of flight. We've got a whole section of micro videos as a part of the curriculum that teach that and include, built-in quizzes so that the teachers can monitor to make sure that students are getting through the materials before they're taking off, so that you don't have, there's the potential for a negative connotation with drones when people see it on the news that is so far from the truth from the day-to-day of drones, and that's what we want to make sure our student pilots are representing, the best of the best in safe operating.
That is just amazing. Now, Ben, I know you have the attention of all of our parents, educators, and certainly students out there wanting to learn more about PCS Adventures. What's the best way for them to do so?
I would start at our website, adventures.com, and people can access curriculum samples and spec sheets for all of our programming that breaks down, what's included in each package, as well as, samples of the curriculum so that they can see what they're getting into. And of course, from there, they can reach out to us for more information anytime. We're always happy to help.